What up, YouTube? Broke home back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And I got some new trees. Let's talk about them. They're a little different. Watch the video. Now, first off, I got honey berries. I ordered 3 and they gave me 1 free. Good job. Now, I know somebody's saying, well, there's some little bitty plants. Look here, man. The smaller they are, the cheaper they are. If you ain't rich, you gotta have patience. It can't be all of it together. Either you got money or you got patience. I got way more patience than money. So let's go through a couple of these honeyberry varieties. This is a honey joy. I didn't order this, and it comes with soil, so it's not bare root. Nice little root system on this one. This is a blue banana honeyberry, and it's a honey glen honeyberry, and this is the broken tag. This is the honey beast. That go together, y'all. That go together. Put that together. Boom. That's the honey beast. And I ordered another tree I'm gonna show y'all in a minute, but we're gonna get this potted up. But something that's different about these that I've never had before, these come from tissue culture. Tissue culture. Now let's talk about that for a second. All right, let's talk about tissue culture plants. Been doing a little research. I don't have it all down packed. If you know more about tissue culture fruit trees, put it down in the comments. But from my understanding, they've been doing this for 50 years. Let's start out with that. But it's a way of propagating in a controlled environment in a lab to keep it from being disease resistant, pest resistant. Is sterile, completely sterile. It's no fungus, no bacteria in the lab while all this is put together. Top of the line, no disease, no nothing. It's supposed to be fantastic. It's supposed to be. But in saying that, these plants have been babied in a lab and under perfect growing conditions. So that could be a downfall if I don't baby these plants enough. They could die. Now I'm gonna get my money back, but they could die. So yes, tissue culture, it's a new thing to me. We're gonna see how it goes, but for $15 a piece, we're gonna try to make this work. You know what I mean? Now, let's get on with the video. This is my soil mix. I try to cater soil mix to what I'm planting. I will put these in containers because they're super small. And next year, ideal if they get a little size on them, I'll put them in the ground. But it's a bunch of vermiculite in this soil mix. Potting soil, some alfalfa pellets, and I went ahead and put some granular fertilizer in it. It said these plants like rich soil, so I got a super rich. Plus I got a little biochar in here. So if they can't grow in this stuff here, man, they don't want to grow. They want to die. They want to commit suicide, y'all. You hear me? This is the first one. This is the honey beast. Let's check the root system. Root check. It's a decent root system, I think. They're spindly roots though. Really spindly. Let's put it in here. Now, I videotaped this, so if these plants die, y'all will hear. Y'all can tell him, hey, he's a pretty decent gardener. We saw him put him in, he did everything he was supposed to do, and they just died. So he need his money back. So that's why y'all coming along, y'all my witness that I planted them right. Pretty good soil mix. Got them in there. All right, that's my first one. That's the beast honeyberry. I got to get another tag. Don't worry about that. This is the honey glen. Honey glen. Root check. It's pretty decent. Pretty decent. Nice little size on it for the money. Just that simple. Pop it in there and let it go for what it knows. Oh, this is a little better root system. Look at these big boy roots on it. Big boy roots. Roots. And now this is the blue banana. And another reason that I bought these honeyberries, they are super duper good for you. It's twice the amount of vitamin A that a blueberry has in it, 4 times the amount of vitamin C that blueberries, mulberries, and a whole bunch of berries have. These are top tier when it comes to vitamin C. And we all need a little vitamin C, y'all. So we got them popped in, we got them plopped in. And I'm gonna put some more nutritional facts about these honeyberries in the video. Now that you've transplanted them in, you got them watered in good, leave them in the shade for maybe 2 days, because it's already going through transplant shock. It don't need no more shock from the 95-degree weather. It's hot, hot out here. Cover them babies up, leave them in the shade, let them get acclimated. The other tree I got was a Aronia berry. And it has super anti-inflammatory property to it. And that's a good size for the price I paid. These Aronia berries also, is that a fruit? All right, no, I don't think so. Anyway, Aronia berries also referred to as choke berries. Then they said propagation prohibited it. Prohibited it. That don't mean nothing to me. Cause if I want to get it cut and put in my yard, that's what I'm gonna do. I paid for this plant. Don't tell me what to do with it. Now I'm gonna put it far end of my property, down from my pomegranate tree, and we're gonna see what she do. Got it all watered in, got it ready to go. You happy to be here? I'm happy to have you. I hope you fruit and live an abundant life at Broke Farms. Good to see you. Now let's get on to regular trees that aren't tissue culture trees. This is a fig I just bought. It don't have a proper name. It just had BT on it. And she already got some little figlets. The figlets coming on. This is my LSU. I think this is the purple. I can't find the tag. No, my fault. This is the beautiful strawberry verdone, baby. The best tasting fig I ever had. But I think that Jolly Rancher gonna beat it. I can see the little figlets coming on. That's a good tasting fig, y'all. That's a good tasting fig. And this one is Beers Black. I don't see any figlets coming on. All these grew back from the root, y'all. All these. Beers Black. And I gotta look at the tag. I ain't got these memorized, because they die back and then you gotta get used to what they look like. I think that's just a broke fig, a no-name fig. It got figlets coming. And this is my LSU purple. That grew all the way back. And this is my Ischia fig. I don't see any figlets on her yet, but she pretty. And I'm pretty sure these are my magnolia figs. I'm pretty sure these are, yeah, both of these are magnolia figs. And let me see. Can't find a tag on that, so it's just a anything fig. I think this is my sugar fig. Let me get the camera right. I got it. Yeah. This is my sugar fig, and guess what? I got a couple figs on her. Got a couple, so we will be eating sugar figs this year. And these two are my yellow long neck. I just got these probably a couple months ago. They've been in the house, so it's gonna take them a little while to take off. But I can't wait to taste that yellow long neck. And this is the famed Jolly Rancher fig, y'all. One died, but one staying alive, stand alive. I stand alive. Couple of them I got in the grind. This is the Black Mission fig. It came all the way back from the root, and she is looking pretty, y'all. I'm thinking eventually all of them ain't gonna die all the way to the ground. This is also a Black Mission fig. This is my Celeste fig in the grind. Celeste figs and Black Turkey are really common here and they grow well here. But it still died all the way back. Maybe a couple years in the grind it won't die all the way back. You know what I mean? Gotta be patient with these babies. This one is a, this is a Beers, I think this is a Beers Black, I'm not sure. Lost the tag on this one also. When they die to the ground, the tags fall off, y'all. It is what it is. And this is a Chicago Hardy. I know this is Chicago Hardy. She came back, she looking awesome. She got some figlets on her. Bro, we're gonna get a lot of figs this year. That Chicago Hardy is pretty. And I got a lot of figs just on the perimeter in the ground. This is my brown turkey. They got a very different leaf pattern on this brown turkey. Yeah, she just getting up, weight up on her. And this is a new one that I put in the ground. This is a white Marsalis. The sun is not working with me today. I can't get that good light. But that's the white Marsalis. Nice looking fig, y'all. Nice looking fig. And I doubled down on this, I think this is a brown turkey. Yeah, it's a brown turkey. I don't see any figlets yet, but she's still getting her life together. Yeah. Got one more fig to show y'all. This is my LSU Gold. Yeah, I bought it this side. It did not grow in my yard like that. I'm gonna break her down and get a whole bunch of cuttings off them. Probably during fall time. While we out here fruit tree checking, let's check the fruit set. My golden Dorset, I got one bagged up. I'm gonna taste one now. I'm gonna taste one. There's another apple. Another apples. I think I saw another. So far we got 4 apples on here. It's a good start. I had this tree in the ground for 3 years, y'all. Now, go back to my persimmons. Oh yeah, we're gonna have persimmons, y'all. We're gonna have persimmons. And as y'all can see, the Japanese beetles back, y'all. It's an ongoing fight, y'all. It's an ongoing fight. Fruit check, fruit check. This is my Bartlett pear. Oh, she got fruit everywhere. We're gonna get a bunch of pears, y'all. I say a bunch of pears compared to last year. I see 4. Some of them ran off with about 3 of them. I don't know what that was all about. My European Asian pear, the light just won't do it right. The light will not do it right. These are pears though. The light is not cooperating The light is a hater today. I can't get to no side where the light want to hit her right. But believe me, there we go. I got them everywhere, y'all. So I should be eating a lot of these. Yeah. And I got 1,000 worm infested plum. I got some good plum, but some worm infested, man. I gotta do a way better job on spraying next year. I mean, the worms have decimated my plum. And I just been look how big they are though. Come on. I've sprayed again, but all these plums on the ground, these are bad plums. I thought some animal would come eat them or something. The animal don't even want them. The animal like, man, you can have these plums. They got worms everywhere. Worm disease, I don't know what you want to call them. Like this one. She, come on, like, work with me, like. She is infested, y'all. So, and don't get me wrong, I've ate maybe 50. My wife like them green, so she ate about 100 of them. So we've got our fair share, but man, it's a lot of them. It just went to waste, y'all. A lot of them. This tree came back. It's a lime quat in the ground. Okay, I see you. This is my red globe fruit check. Fruit looking good, y'all. Fruit check. Fruit check. Fruit check. Fruit check. Fruit check. I still got my one nectarine holding on. Just hold on, Dad gonna get you soon. Just hold on. Just hold on. And my red haven peach. You a monster. You a monster. You hear me? Ooh. Ooh. You got peaches everywhere. And you know what? This tree been in the ground for 3 years. It don't drop peaches no more. Now hit one as soon as I say that. Hit one, but birds could have knocked that out. Who knows, y'all? Who knows? But she looking good now. She looking good. Man, this sun will not work with me. Ooh, she looking good. Ooh, she looking good. Ooh.